Hey guys, welcome back to Lenap. For today's video, we're going to show you how to fix Black Ops 6 error code 0x9. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. Now if you're having this issue here on your Black Ops 6 game and you're unable to play the game, well in this case there's a few things that you try to probably solve this issue. So one of them is you want to verify your game files. So depending on where you bought the game, so in my case, for example, Steam, if you bought it in Steam, you could go ahead and verify the games itself. But again, these steps might vary depending on where you bought it. So for Steam, you want to go ahead and open up Steam here. You want to go to Library, and you want to go to the game that you want to verify. So right click on it, and you want to go to the option for, let's say, Properties. And from here, you want to go to Install Files. Click on Verify Integrity of Game Files and just let it run. Now usually it will detect any changes on the file itself and correct any changes on those files. Now if that doesn't work, the next thing you can do here is you want to make sure that you have the latest updates on your PC. So in this case, first things first, you want to go to search at the bottom left here. Just type in Windows Update. Click on check for updates. And from here, what we need to do is we need to click on check for updates. And if you do see any updates ready for installation, just wait for it to download and install it in your PC and restart your PC once the update is complete. Now, once you've done that, the next thing you want to do is you want to check for any updates on your GPU. Now, the bottom left here, you want to search for the driver for your GPU. So if you have NVIDIA, you want to open up GeForce Experience, and if you have AMD, you need to open up the appropriate driver for that. So in my case, let's go open up GeForce Experience here since I have an NVIDIA. And from here, we want to basically visit a few things. Now in here, what we need to do is we need to go to drivers at the top left. You want to go and click on check for updates, and if you do see any updates, just click on download and wait for it to complete. Now once you've done that, again, you want to restart your PC and see if that solves your issue. Now if none of those actually work, the last thing and final thing that you could do here is to reinstall the game. Sometimes you might have downloaded some faulty files. So in this case, you want to right click it in your library. You want to go to manage and just click on uninstall. And once you've done that, you go right click on it again and click on install again on your PC. So currently, those are the only things that we could do here to probably solve this issue. So if you're still having this issue, it might be an ongoing issue with Black Ops 6, and you just need to wait for some updates and in this case patch notes or patches to be released to fix some issues. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Lenap. Thank you for watching.